How to use Napkin AI. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Napkin AI to create visual presentations and organize your ideas easily. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, click on Create My First Napkin or click the New. Here, you will see options like Draft with AI, Import from File, and Blank Napkin. In this example, we will be using the Draft with AI. Now type in your topic or you can use in the examples here. For this example, I will use the best practices for hiring interview. Just click continue. Napkin AI will automatically generate a visual based on your topic. You can adjust the canvas settings or click general visuals to create the diagram. Now, if you want to build your presentations manually, click New Napkin. In the corner, click the blank napkin. Here you can type in your ideas and arrange them as needed. You will also find 4 useful tools to customize your napkin. First is the Spark Search to search related ideas or data. Next is the Label to add titles, tags, or categories. And then Sketch to draw freely on the canvas. And lastly is the Image to insert visuals for better presentation. Once you're happy with your napkin, click the share icon at the top right button, and you can copy the link and share it with your classmate or team for easy collaboration. And that's it. You have successfully created a presentation using Napkin AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.